What's up, health lovers? It's Mercedes and welcome back to the channel. Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat on a plant-based / vegan lifestyle. We're going to go through the refrigerator, the freezer, the pantry, and the seasoning cabinet. So I have some greens right here and some fresh kale. I have some yogurt. I love yogurt. This has no sugar added, and the elderflower is actually my favorite. This one's my mom's favorite. I have some coconut water by Harmless Harvest, coconut smoothies. There's some cranberry juice in there. I have some grape juice, some prune juice, some living bitters, some Irish sea moss. On the next shelf, we have 2 cantaloupe. This is a regular cantaloupe. I actually think this is honeydew. It's a sugar kiss melon, and it's green on the inside, so I believe that's honeydew. I have a watermelon. We have an orange pepper, a red pepper, some mushrooms. I put the paper towels over because the mushrooms last so much longer. Any fruit and vegetable, if you do that little trick, they'll last longer. We have some squash. I need some more garlic. I have some yellow pepper, purple onion, white onion. I'm just saving this bag for another veggie. Okay. I have some apple juice. I have this tea that I brewed. It's for sickle cell anemia. Now this is my favorite drawer. Okay. We have some blueberries, some grapes, a huge mango, muscadine grapes, a papaya, some tangerines. I can't wait to have one of these. Lemon, apples. This one's about ready to go. Eat that in the morning. I have some mint. I'm making some cucumber and mint water. I have some limes. I have some cabbage, a sweet potato, more coconut water. Now let's look at the shelves on the side. We have some barbecue sauce, some liquid iron, tahini, vegan mayo, vegan cheese, apple cider vinegar, charcoal, aloe vera, Dijon mustard, calcium magnesium liquid. I really like this in apple juice. Without it, I don't know if I'd get it down. We have some dates. And now for the freezer. I have some frozen berries, some frozen dandelion greens. I'm gonna put that in my smoothie tomorrow. I have some papaya seeds, some flour, that's spelt flour. What's that? Baking powder and baking soda. Now for the pantry. Okay, I have some red rice, some organic pumpkin pie mix, some pasta, olive oil, almond butter, pancake and waffle mix, Miss Jones cake mix, black rice, date sugar, coconut sugar, stevia, sugar on sugar on sugar. Okay, more date sugar, coconut flakes, carrot powder. Okay, we have lentils, pasta, flaxseed, more lentils. Now let's get to the seasoning cabinet. I just cleaned this out, so I'm very proud to open it for you all. I have some onion powder, some red pepper or cayenne pepper, vegetable soup mix, garlic, turmeric, crushed red pepper. You can get these seasonings at Costco for a really good price. Nutritional yeast. I am low on nooch. We have some dulse. Okay, this is what I'm using to replace salt. When I decided to not do any salt for a while, I got rid of it and cleaned the cabinet, and now I feel like I can really do this challenge. I have cinnamon, wakame flakes, kind of like the dulse. They're both sea seasonings, and they help the thyroid gland. I have some cornmeal, some brewer's yeast, parsley, cumin, turmeric, cilantro, thyme, dill, vanilla, curry, paprika. It's a bunch of sage back there, soy sauce, and hot sauce. That's not my hot sauce. That is it, you all. Thank you so much for joining. That's what's in my kitchen. You all have a great one. Talk soon.